Now I'm recording. So we are in the back of my house, and there's woods that's grown up, of course, with no habitation. But then we stumbled on these old cars, and it looked like a campsite at first until my dad told me the history. And he said that it used to be homes all back here, not just our house. And it was people staying, and he knew the people and everything. But as time went on, then things became like these cars. And there's one here, and then there's one all the way over there. It's just like these little patches of, I don't know what that is, like carpet, or if it's moss, or I don't know. And then see the bottles of where I guess this used to be a hangout spot. But my whole neighborhood used to be a black community. And now it's all commercial. But before, it was a lot of life. Like if you see way over there, there's other stuff. But we're gonna go all the way back because there's some lakes back here. So we're gonna go back and check it out.